What's the meaning of catwalk? Catwalk. Catwalk.
Catwalk. Catwalk. The word catwalk refers to a narrow walkway or platform, typically elevated, that is used for models to walk on during fashion shows. The term originally comes from the idea of a slender cat's graceful movements and body posture. A catwalk is a crucial part of runway fashion shows, allowing models to showcase the designer's garments and accessories to an audience. It is often lined with bright lights and filled with spectators, creating a lively atmosphere. Overall, the catwalk serves as a focal point for the fashion industry and shapes cultural trends.